Hi, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sail and Ski. And today I am standing in front of this 2017 Sea Ray SDX 240. Now this is a brokerage listing represented by salesperson Roger Duffee. And the SDX is just the latest evolution in Sea Ray's Sea Dek series, one of the most popular series. The whole design allows it to cut through choppy water with ease. Very comfortable seating, so you can invite all of your friends and family out and nobody has to sit on the ice chest. This boat is powered by a 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower Mercruiser BRAVO III engine. You can see that right here. And this engine is known for being able to assist your boat in getting through choppy water. You can also see that it's got a nice big swim platform to sit on while you're in the water. It's also got one of my favorite features, this submersible swim step. This allows for really easy entry for kids, for parents, for dogs, and it's also got an extra long ladder that goes deep in the water to get you out with ease. One of the things people love about the SDX series is the comfortable seating. As you can see, we're in the bow. It's got a very large, wide bow, so it's going to be super comfortable to fit people up here. Nice armrests. We've got a nice clean head unit here. No rushing back to the dock to get someone to the bathroom. You can see all of our nice analog switches here. It's got a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, convertible seating, and tons of strategically placed cup holders so no one is going to spill on your boat. This boat also comes with snap-in carpet and a removable hidden cooler area. This boat is not going to last long. It is a great size for the lakes around here, so if you are interested, give Roger Duffee a call and check it out.
I hope you find these walkthroughs to be helpful. If you need any additional information, please call me, Roger Duffee, at 512-750-8169. We'll see you on the water.